Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you by rendering from the iClone 8 how to make sure there's no black glowings appear for any of the image or videos. To just make sure everything perfect with the transparent background, just without any of the black glowing. How to make this, how to make sure everything go perfect. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. Alright, now in your iClones, when you are rendering, render, you can just render image or render video. You can choose it from here. At the same time, you need to make sure it is not include the glow and lens flare in alpha. This is the option that you must make sure. Just deselect it, then if you render it, export on the desktop. I'm going to just export as an example. Now just have a look. You already have this, and we are going to check the transparency. Alright, to check it, you can just use the PowerPoint. It is really simple. Just open a PowerPoint, drag and drop. Now you can see it is without the glowing. So what about if you take this, include glow and lens flare, and then you export, then just have a look. The second image, you can see it have a black glowing. Most of the time we don't want this black glowing, so you need to just export properly with the correct setting. Just deselect the include glows and lens flare. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!